All right. Hey guys, this is V here. Pam's behind the camera today.
Hey everybody.
And I am making a smoothie bowl. It's one of my favorites. I love smoothie bowls. So easy and it keeps me full. So I like to have it, you know, when I have a busy morning.
And your kids like a smoothie bowl too, don't they?
They do. And I know that, you know, I'm not going to have time to eat when I'm supposed to eat. So I kind of rely on smoothie bowls. So I have my homemade granola here. And I have some berries, some raspberries and blueberries in here. I have bananas, chia seeds, maple syrup.
How much chia? How much syrup?
I have this is about a quarter cup of chia seeds, and this is about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I have some ice and water here. I have about 3/4 cup of soy milk, and I'm gonna use half the berries because I don't wanna leave some for the top. So I'm gonna start with my bananas. 2 bananas, because me and Pam are gonna have this.
Our breakfast.
Yeah.
The breakfast of champions.
Yeah. I'm gonna save about a little bit of banana for presentation. I'm gonna put my chia seeds in there. I'm gonna put my milk in here. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna blend these up because I want the chia seeds to kind of, you know,
Start working.
Start their magic. And then I'm gonna put the rest of the stuff in there.
The chia magic.
Yeah. So here we go, guys. All right, so.
Oh, you can start to see it already thickening up.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is put half my berries in there.
Oh, I love raspberries.
I know.
Oh. That was more than half, but that's okay.
It's all right. I got more.
That's what's left. I'll show
that's
you, just so I
left.
can show you. Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I get carried away. All right. Here's the maple syrup. And I'm going to go ahead and put the ice and water in here. And we're going to zhuzh this up. And look at the color now. There we go.
That's when the magic happens.
Yep.
All the color from the berries and the goodness.
Look at that.
That's great.
All right, now I'm gonna start plating. Well,
Delicious.
it is. Smells so good.
I can smell the berries.
Now, let me do some of my other magic.
Do well, because when I make them, I just throw stuff on top.
Well, that's kind of the idea, but since we're making videos for you guys.
You want it to be presentation perfect?
Yes, I do. Here we go, guys. Look at that. Isn't that amazing?
It is.
And you know what? The color, like my daughter, she loves purple, so she'd dig into this. And you know, all the fruit on top is already a, you know, hit for her. So I'm telling you guys, color and presentation, it does attract kids.
Yeah.
So try it out. Try this out. Let us know what do you think? And you can add any kind of flavors you want to this. You can go tropical, you can go...
Yeah, mango and pineapple or something.
You can go seasonal with it. Whatever is in season, you can go with that.
Yeah.
And
apples, like now this time of year. Add apples and some cinnamon in there.
Yeah, make it like an apple pie kind of thing. It's great. It's a very filling breakfast.
And healthy.
And it's guilt-free. So, and it does, trust me guys, it keeps you full long. I'm not kidding about that. It's all the chia seeds and all, you know, everything. Has good fiber and everything, so it keeps you full, and it'll give you the energy you need too. So make this, let us know how you find it, and like, subscribe. And we are still doing our 25 days of Christmas. You'll see a video up every day. Check us out on Facebook, on Instagram. Make this, tag us. Merry Christmas to you guys. We'll be back with more, and Pam's behind the camera, so
we'll see you later, guys.
Bye guys.